What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna say that I don't do kitten series no more because that's already ended. I don't do no puppets no more. I just do. What is that? Y'all hear that? It stopped. Why don't we plug it in? What is that? It's just making a buzzing noise. But guys, I just wanted to tell you all that, and peace. I'm gonna be uploading it another day.